Hi, Kimberly. Today we're going to be measuring. Have you measured before? Okay. Can you help me put these together? So I want you to look at this strip and at this strip. Which one is bigger?
That one.
This one is bigger? Why is this one bigger? I want you to look at all of it. This one is bigger?
No.
Is this one bigger? Yeah? Can you tell me why?
Because it has a lot of squares.
Oh, okay. Well, actually, if you look at it closely, look, this one starts at the same place and it ends at the same place. So they're the same size. Maybe they're the same size since they start at the same place. Even though this one has smaller pieces and this one has bigger ones, in the end, they equal the same. But to make sure, we're going to do something. We're going to measure. So we're actually going to measure with paper clips. Let's see how much these measure in paper clips. So we have 1. Can you count with me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. You want to do this one? Okay. Oh no, not the big one. So how many were here? How many paper clips?
5.
Yeah, so the orange one measures 5 paper clips. What about the green one?
5.
5. So you see how even though these are small and these are big, do they measure the same amount?
Yes.
Yeah, this one measures 5 paper clips and this one?
5.
5 paper clips, so they're the same, right? Yeah, they measure the same. What about now? Are they the same?
No.
Well, not with the paper clips, just... Yeah, because they start at the same place. If we were to measure them with the paper clips, they would be the same as before. So now that we did that, here is one string. And then here is another. Which one is bigger?
That one.
Why?
Because
Do they start at the same place?
yes, but in the last they don't start on.
Yeah, and the last one, they don't end in the same place, right? Which one keeps on going for more?
The purple, the light purple.
The light purple one. We can call this one purple and this one maroon. Or you want to call it dark purple?
Dark purple.
Dark. It is kind of dark purple. Okay. Well, this light purple one is longer. You're right. But I want to measure just to make sure. When we're not sure and we want to measure, it helps us know which one is longer and shorter. Which one should we measure first?
on.
Okay, you can go ahead and measure it. And now this one. Okay, so right here I wrote light purple and dark purple. Let's count how much this one measures.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7, yes. So that one equals 7. 7 what?
7 paper clips.
Paper clips, yes. And this one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10
Paper
paper clips. So now that we know this one is 7 and this one is 10, which one is bigger? Yeah, now we know for sure, right? Yeah. Now we're gonna practice on the computer. I found this website that lets us measure with paper clips, but instead of like this, we can measure on the computer. So this is the website. You want me to read them for you and then we can answer them? So it says, so before we do anything, how many paper clips do you think this glue bottle is? How many do you think it is? We're estimating. We're guessing how much it is before we actually do it. You can just say any number that you think it might be.
4.
4, okay. So now you're gonna try it. You're gonna put the paper clips. Let me show you. So you go like this. This is 1. Can you put the other one? Good. And another one? I think, do you think if we put another one, it'll be too much? Yeah. No, that one was good. I was saying if you put another one. So the one that you put was good. You can use this finger to click and then the other one to move. You don't want to use that finger? No? Can you put it a little closer? So how many does this glue bottle measure? How many paper clips? Let's count them.
3.
1, 2, 3. Yes. So you can put 3 right there. You can click on the square and you can put the number 3. Good. So now let's check it. You can put check. Good. You're right. You can put next. Let's try another one. So now this is a brush. Let's try, how many do you think it is?
7.
7, okay. How about this time, I'm gonna click it and you can just move it. You can move it where you think. Okay. So how many is it?
4.
4. Okay, let's check it. Good. So the brush is 4 paper clips. Let's try another one. So next. So this is like maybe like a clip. So let's try that one. Good. So how much does this measure?
2.
2 what?
2 paper clips.
Yeah, so you see how the paper clips are letting us measure things, how long they are? So let's check it. Good, you did it right. So this is a crayon. Let's try the crayon.
It's 3.
You think it's 3? Let's see. Let's see. There. Oh, you did it. Oh. It's a little hard. Let me see. Let me try to help you. Okay. So try it. Good. See? So you're getting better at estimating how many it's going to be. What about this eraser? How much do you think it'll be?
2.
2. Let's see. Good, so put the number. Okay, this is gonna be the last one. It's the green pin. How many do you think it'll be?
6.
6, okay. Let's try it. Let's click over here. Okay. Or this one. So how many is it?
4.
4. So, okay.
I think this is 6.
You think it's gonna be 6? Let's see. Click over here on this side. There. So how many?
5.
5. Okay, let's check it. Good. So you used all your paper clips. You measured them all right. Good job. Okay. Now before we finish off, can you find something that we could measure with these paper clips? What's a thing in your house that we can measure? Okay. So you can put them on here on top of it. And we're gonna measure how tall it is, how long. You can put it there. Bless you. That's good. So how many is it?
7.
7 paper clips. Good. So was it easy to measure the book, the Bible with this? Yeah. Would it be easy to measure a door with paper clips?
No.
Would it be hard? Yeah, right? Because we would have a lot of paper clips. So it's easy to measure smaller things with paper clips, but when we're going to measure bigger things later on, they're going to teach you to measure with other things. Right now, I'm just going to show you a picture of those things. So it might be, do you use this in school, a ruler, to measure? You've measured with a ruler? So that's another way to measure. What about, it looks like a ruler, but it's a little bigger. Have you seen one of these? The ones that are long? It's called a yardstick. So that's something else that we can measure with. And then there's also this. Have you ever seen that? Yeah.
My grandpa.
Your grandpa has one? Yeah, so that's to measure big things. We can measure maybe a door with this. So let's not use paper clips to measure doors, but we can measure with this.
And a seat.
Oh yeah. So today you learned about measuring. And that's it. You can stop.